DeAndrea?
Hi, Jennifer. Well, if parents with kids from kindergarten until 5th grade, if they have students who have missed at least 15 days of unexcused absences, they will be receiving this letter in the mail, and it's going to highlight all of the consequences that they could have if their student continues to miss school.
If we get to that stage, you don't want to test my resolve.
Sending a clear message to parents, Jefferson County Attorney Michael Connell joined JCPS Superintendent Dr. Marty Polio Wednesday to discuss implementing a new law passed by the 2024 General Assembly. The law mandates that students who rack up 15 or more unexcused absences can be referred to the county attorney's office.
All it takes to become chronically absent, a little more than 8 months, is a student missing 1 day every 2 weeks. Or 2 days a month.
Starting this week, O'Connell will start sending letters to parents or guardians of students who have 15 or more unexcused absences. It's part of the county attorney's office outreach campaign to get kids, specifically K through 5th grade, back in school.
Neither my office nor JCPS system wishes to prosecute anyone. We simply want your child to receive the education that all children deserve.
According to Polio, 4 in 10 JCPS students are chronically absent, meaning they have 17 or more unexcused absences a year.
Social services, housing, insecurity, food insecurity, all of these things can lead to an increase in chronic absenteeism.
This year, many children are finding other ways of transportation to get to school, with bus routes being cut, which could also play a role in a child being late or absent. O'Connell says they will examine every situation on a case-by-case basis.
Would I prosecute somebody like that if everything was explainable and defensible and there was a good reason for it? Of course not.
But still emphasizing the need for parents to ask for help if needed.
So if somebody's not reaching out to JCPS or not reaching out to all these various assistance and programs, then there's no excuse.
And again, parents who have children from kindergarten to 5th grade, if they have 15 or more unexcused absences, they will get this letter in the mail starting this week. And if a parent does not abide by this law, they can face up to a year in jail or a $500 fine. For now, at the Van Hoos Center, DeAndrea Turner, WLKY News.